Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in February 2026. Harbor Freight just dropped a bunch of new coupons. There are a ton of different promotions going on right now. And if you are an Inside Track Club member, you are definitely going to want to watch this video. They have a lot of deals going on exclusively for you. Starting with today is the start of the Inside Track Club Appreciation Days. It's going to go on all week long, so I'll have that all covered for you. So sit back, relax. I'll break it all down for you. And just before we get started, all I ask is that you give the video a like if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first big sales event going on right now, it starts today, Monday, February 2nd, is the Inside Track Club Appreciation Days. So these are promotions exclusively for those ITC members. Again, that's the yearly subscription that gets you exclusive deals like this and also early access to some of the sales. So today is day one. So if you're watching this video today, you can get 30% off all of the Quinn ratchets, breaker bars, and torque wrenches. You can also get 25% off all of the creepers and seats. So things like the Icon seat are included in that. And then 25% off all of their shelving units. So a great time to pick up any of those if you're doing any garage organization projects. We got spring cleaning coming up around the corner. So a great time to get these. These actually don't go on sale that often. So 25% off is a nice discount. All right, so this goes on all week long, concluding on Friday, February 6th. I don't have the whole week of deals for you, but I do have the day two that's going to be tomorrow, Tuesday, February 3rd. And those deals are going to be 20% off all of the Jupiter inverters, 25% off all of the Badland winches and accessories, and 25% off all of the Badland jacks. So if you have any big off-roading trips planned out and you need some of this Badland stuff or any inverters for your car, RV, truck, anything like that, tomorrow's going to be a great day to be an ITC member and head to your local Harbor Freight. All right, so another big deal going on for ITC members is they actually have 20% off all of their flap discs. Now, this deal is actually good all the way until Thursday, February 26th, so pretty much the entire month. And this is across all their brands, Warrior, Bauer, Hercules. You can obviously use flap discs for a bunch of different things. I like to use it to sharpen my lawnmower blades each spring, so perfect timing on that. And on top of those deals, Harbor Freight has released a bunch of other ITC coupons. I will wait to the end of the video to get to those. I do want to highlight some of the deals going on for non-ITC members. So first up, we'll start with some Hallmaster assortment pack of bungee cords. This is a 23-piece set here for $10.50. You also have the Merlin pistol grip blowgun. This is a really nice ergonomic handled blowgun for just $4. Harbor Freight sells a bunch of varieties of safety glasses all the way down and is cheap as $1. But if you're going to be wearing these for an extended period of time, I definitely suggest springing for these premium versions. These are just much more comfortable to wear and they're just $8. I also like the green color. If you're an Ego fan, it's going to match perfectly with that stuff. But yeah, spend the extra bucks and get a premium pair of these safety glasses, at least as your main pair. All right, Quinn has really just become one of my favorite hand tool brands over at Harbor Freight. I really think they offer the best value to quality ratio. And here's the diagonal cutters at just $5. Another good deal is this punch and chisel set. This is a 12-piece set from Pittsburgh. It's $13. Doyle has some of their electrician shears at just $10. These are great for cutting wire, obviously. They also fit nicely in an electrician's pouch. Some Quinn sockets, they have the standard and metric half-inch drive sockets, 10-piece set here for $12. If you have any big TVs to mount, these low-profile mounts are kind of no-nonsense. They're very easy to hang. You have a lot of stud points here. You just attach the TV right on top of it. So a great no-frills mount here for just $15, and you can hang up to a 70-inch TV with this. All right, next up are these sort of flashlight and a light switch kind of style. These are great for putting in a closet, attic, anywhere like that where maybe you don't have wires, but you just want to add a little bit of light that's easily reachable and turned on. And these are just $2. They have some sticky tape on the back so you can really slap it anywhere. And these actually do a pretty good job of putting out some light. All right, now if you need some serious light for your garage or shop, you can check out these 5500 lumen linkable shop lights from Braun. You can link up to 8 of these, and these are $18 a piece. They also have a pretty nifty calculator down here to calculate how many of these lights you'll need for your space, so definitely utilize that. And here's a new headlamp. This is a super cheap headlamp, probably the cheapest one that Harbor Freight has ever sold. And this is their just 100 lumen swivel LED headlamp. So if you just want a cheap one, maybe one for your kids, these are just $2 right now. So pretty much Dollar Tree level pricing there. All right, it's almost that time to start thinking about mulch and your spring gardening. Here's a nice garden cart with pneumatic wheels, removable sides on this one. It has a 1,200-pound capacity, and it's $150. They also have a bunch of sales on all of their Atlas tools. That's their battery-powered outdoor power tools. These are all on the 80-volt line, and we're starting with the string trimmer here. This is your brushless 16-inch string trimmer at $70. They also have their 605 CFM rated 80-volt leaf blower at $60. Now, these are tool only. You will need to have a battery or buy that separately. You got the pole saw here for $80, and then even the cultivator is $150. So a great time to expand the line, or if you're looking to get into one of these lines, now might be a good time to buy some of these tools. And then if you need a battery, they also have the battery on sale. These batteries are actually dual voltage. They can run the 40-volt tools and the 80-volt tools. Now, your ratings are going to be different on that. If you run a 40-volt tool with it, it's going to be a 5 amp hour battery. And then if you run an 80-volt tool, it's obviously half of that, and it's going to be a 2.5 amp hour battery. And these are $100 a piece. All right, next up is this really nice Hercules impact rated hex shank, so it easily fits into your impact driver drill bit set. It's a 15-piece set here for $18. It's a great price. I've had this set for a while, and it 100% lines up to any of the DeWalt or Milwaukee sets I have. You also have some nice step-down drill bits from Bauer. These are the black oxide version. Here's a 2-pack for $22. They also have the 3-pack of some of the narrow sizes at $15. And then also from Bauer, we have some circular saw blades. These are your framing blades, fit any 7.25-inch standard circular saw, 3-pack here for $15. And then a good price here on a 5-pack of your hook and loop sanding disc from Bauer as well at $4.50. And you can pair that up with this Hercules random orbital sander. This is the corded version at just under $50. Also from Hercules, they're their 5-inch deep cut bandsaw at $150. It's $30 off the normal price. And then this thing is awesome if you haven't picked it up yet. If you have an old shop vac, you want to give new life to it, make it feel premium, get this Bauer Premium Auto Detailing accessory kit for your vacuum at just $20. That is an amazing price. You get a very nice hose. It's going to be way better than anything your shop vac probably came with, along with a bunch of great nozzles. So a great price here. This is 33% off the normal price. Another great deal is this detailed brush set, a 6-piece set for just $2.30. And then a great organizer here. It'll fit perfectly if you have any of the US General cabinets, but will also work with any other cabinet you might have. But this is your power and air tool drawer organizer. Can fit 5 air tools or power tools, and this is $25. This Hercules tool bag is really nice. It's a 19-pocket, 17-inch tool tote. You can obviously use it for tools and stuff. I also like using these for grill caddies. Spices fit perfectly in all the pockets around it. You have a nice big area to put spatulas and things like that, and this is just $28. Some US General magnetic socket holders are just $15. Pittsburgh has their diagonal cutters. I can really never have too many of these. I'm always looking for them, so it's great to get them cheap, and this is just $2. That is half off the normal price. These button cell batteries from Thunderbolt, usually the 2032s are really the most commonly used ones, and these are just $3 for a 4-pack. And then some premium microfiber towels, a 12-pack here for just $7. And then one last deal for the non-ITC members is the Pittsburgh Pro 17-inch 3/8-inch drive breaker bar. It is just $9 right now. All right, so back to some of those ITC only deals. There are a ton of coupons. I'm just going to give you my top picks. But first off, check out this. Almost all of the Icon ratchets are about 30 to 35% off. They got the low profile ones here, your flex head, even the gold ones down here, but your stubby version, and even continuing on to the next page, some more of these Icon ratchets. So if you ever need any of those, you need to restock on that. Definitely check out those deals. Another great deal is this Merlin High Flow blowgun kit. So this is a very premium blower, and this is just $12. Here's a pretty cool item. This is from Pittsburgh. This is your Impact Flip socket set. So it's double-sided. You get a 3-piece set here for just $12. Some premium diagonal cutters with the Comfort Grip from Quinn is just $5. A Bauer self-leveling laser level. These are great for hanging stuff. If you're mounting any TVs or even trying to do a big room or you're hanging things on the wall, this is just $45. It's great to see some of these name brand products like Blaster on sale. This is the rust protecting surface shield. I've used this stuff a lot. If you're going to be storing anything outside for an extended period of time, this stuff is great at protecting it from being rusted out, and this is just $8 a bottle. Everyone should always have one of these in their car. These are super portable and great. This is the Pittsburgh version. This is your tire inflator, has an LED light, and this is just $35. A surface cleaner for either a gas or electric pressure washer up to 3,300 PSI is on sale for $40. Speaking of pressure washers, the 2,000 PSI, 1.3 gallons per minute Bauer electric pressure washer is $160 right now. Your 4-drawer tech cart from US General is on sale all the way down to $160, available in any of those colors. A great cart here for that price. They also have the roll cab now available in purple at $790. Some V-groove combination wrench sets in either standard or metric are $35 from Pittsburgh. Hardwood dollies are just $23. It's a must in my garage that everything's got to be on wheels and casters. And I've used these to mount toolboxes to make them on wheels, and they work great. These are just $23. You can also get the carpeted version for the same price. Your flex head ratchet set from Pittsburgh, a 5-piece set here is $20. And then the classic Harbor Freight bug zapper. It's going to be that time. The flies and the mosquitoes are going to be out before we know it, even though it feels really cold right now. But this actually works surprisingly well. It's fun to use, and it's just $2. All right, we have this Quinn half-inch drive impact deep socket set for $25. If you use air tools a lot, these color-coded quick connect couplers are pretty cool. This is $16 per set. You can either choose the red set or the blue set. Your small Apache 1800 weatherproof case is just $9. That's 30% off. I love these magnetic trays and accessories from US General. Here's your screwdriver holder and tray at just $10. The Avanti 2-stage paint and stain sprayer with the hand pump and lightweight handle is just $100. I also love these spray bottles from Niagara, great for any leftover herbicides or pesticides that you might put out. You can kind of spot spray with these, and you get a 2-pack here for just $4. And then last up, if you have any fluid changes that you routinely do on your cars, one of these pneumatic fluid extractors can be really nice and necessary in some cases, but this is on sale for $110. All right, those are your deals for February. A lot of stuff to cover there. Definitely, if you're an Inside Track Club member, make sure you head to your store and take advantage of some of these deals. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.